So welcome back. So today we will discuss importance of website in digital marketing. Importance of website in digital marketing. How website is important. So I have make some points. So that point today I will discuss with you. So first point is website is the key to a success digital marketing strategy. So I already before discussed so how website is most important to start of your career in digital marketing. So basically website is the key of digital marketing. So without website you can't anything. And second point, what website is the resume about it. Why I'm telling you website is the resume about it. So without website people don't know who are you and what of your brand and how to sell of your product over the internet. So if you don't have any website people don't know about you. So that's the reason website is the resume of your product or resume of you. Third is what without a website you can't complete practice in digital marketing. So website is very important. Then without a website you can't make a good digital marketer. So if you don't have any website you can't practice properly. So I think you should not you should understand you could not make a good digital marketer. So you can build your own profile if you have a website. So you can create of your own portfolio. People are know about you and they are touch with you, they are contact with you for of your product and of your sale or service. So website is most important. So I do not delay, I suggest you people are please purchase the hosting and domain, and after that I'll give you more important video definitely. Then next, good practice of SEO and tools. So after website you can practice SEO page and you can practice SEO and other tool and plugins. Website are able to capture much more information about you. Guest engage with your website. So you have website, people are come on this page and you can understood their why coming and their what is the requirement actually and what product they are much more purchasing, and that the way you can grow of your website and you learn about it. So website able to capture much more information about how guest engage with your website. So website is like your home where customer people will stay and spend their time to know you or buy your product whatever. So website is like a home. So customer will visit, people are visit of your home and they are stay here and they are understood, they are spend of their time in of your website page and they are know they are know and buy of your product and service and everything. So guys, for today that is okay and we will see next video. Bye bye.